What's up, guys? Welcome back to the ranch. All right, ranchers, we did it. What did I do? Did I get that big buck? I didn't. I didn't get that big buck. In fact, my neighbor actually got the big buck, but that's okay. He's a good guy. I'm happy for him. But while I was out there on Tuesday, election day, I voted. I'm out sitting deer hunting, waiting for that next big buck to come in. I see something blonde go by out in the woods, and I'm like, what was that? And then it occurred to me that back in early October, I got a picture of a blonde coyote. And I never seen a blonde coyote before, let alone on my property. Now, I might have been skeptical seeing this go by thinking, wow, that must have been a dog or something. But I kind of already did some research and knew, like, wow, that's a blonde coyote. Apparently, it's a rarer color of coyotes. Not absolutely rare. About 10 to 20% of coyotes are born blonde, but I've never seen one. So I saw it go by and I'm like, what was that? I'm like, oh wow, that's that blonde coyote. And sure enough, I'm watching him way across my property zigzag around the food plot trails, my deer trails I made, and he starts making his way towards me. So this is a collection of that shot, of the shot in slow motion, and a few pictures at the end of me with the coyote. Really cool experience. Don't always get to shoot a coyote. Don't always get to shoot a blonde coyote, that's for sure. All right, guys, check out this footage.
And this is how I found him, about 30 yards from the shot site.
Wanted to show you guys what broadheads I'm using. So I'm using the Bloodsport Gravedigger Extreme. They're like a mechanical opening broadhead. So they have a fixed blade with a chisel tip. So that's going to penetrate real well. And even if you say, well, they don't open, if these didn't open, you're still getting this cutting diameter. I had really good luck last year with these on an 8-pointer that went right down in less than 100 yards. And as you saw in this video, we're no match for that coyote. That coyote took that right through the shoulder and was down within 20 yards from the shot site. A lot of blood. Real happy that was a 25-yard shot. All right, so I figured I'd include this and give you a little show of what the broadheads are that I'm using. I'll include links to the broadheads in the video description if you might wanted to be interested in purchasing them. There'd be an affiliate link. It'd be there. All right, guys, back to the video.